Welcome to the Band-Aid RC show. Another unboxing. As usual, by the cars I have out here, I'm going to ask you guys, what do you guys think it could be? Start with Teresa.
I say it's a Sketer.
Another Sketer.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think, Kat?
Well, there's a lot of Maxes, Creightons, and I forget the other type. I'm going with probably another variation of the Creightton.
Okay, another variation. Bobby.
Oh my goodness. I honestly have no clue.
Let's take a look at what we have out here. First, we have the 4S Outcast. Alright. We have the 4S Sketer, the 4S Red Cat Landslide, the 4S Teal Creightton 4S. Take that off. Now is the blue. Rocking the blue. This is the Team Corally XTR. Gonna be putting a Max 6 1250 Spectrum motor in it. Then we got a couple of Maxes, the V2, the V1. This V1 is a 6S. It has a 6S ESC from the eRevo 6S. The V2 I like stock, so I kept this stock. And this is the Kronos V1 with Creightton tires. These V1s, the Shogun and the Kronos, the Dimension all came with 46 tooth spurs. The Sketer, however, comes with a 52 tooth spur, along with the V2s and V3s of the Team Corally 6S line. So as you can see, there's a lot of 4S cars out here, but we also see got a couple of Team Corally 6S's in the back, the rest are 4S cars. Basically all your 4S cars that you could, I think, are out there, other than the Cheetah, which I have. So everybody put in their guesses, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Say Teresa's right. I grabbed one of the last ones we got restocked. Also about this V1, it has a 15 tooth pinion in it. Has a 15 tooth pinion. Red Cat, 25 kilogram servo.
There you go, sweetie.
It's another Sketer. The reason why I got another Sketer wasn't that it was on sale or anything, it's that what you can do with it. You can easily put a 6S in it. It's basically built as a 6S, sold as a 4S. It's highly durable with all 6S parts. Got it from Small Addictions RC. There's 52 tooth spur, 13 tooth pinion. She doesn't really flip very much, but boy, she rips. She rips really well. I have a video out already on this particular Sketer right here. That's the stock. With this one, I'll widen it and throw a 6S in it. This here, I'll just gear it up. This is what this is compared to this stuff here. I just saw the potential in the Sketer. I'm going to throw a 46 tooth in this and a 15 tooth. Just gear this up. Gear this one. This one, I'm going to just replace the ESC with the 6S. I can use the 4S ESC with something else. Comes with a manual. They're pretty good these days. The V1s were a little bit hard to read. We have the remote, and I have no complaints about this remote. The CT2R. Their 6S line, which would be the XTR and the Kronos V1. Come with the SR2 yellow remote. Take the pins out. The body. That's why I pulled out the V1. So we'll take a look inside. This is the 4S Landslide. Very cheap, $300 for a 4S machine. Pretty much $329. The Outcast is $480. Roughly the same as a Sketer. Definitely both great value. Max, you get what you pay for. These guys do not break. I'll be setting this up through the 2022 XTR and then the 4S Creighton again. And it's $4.90 for this, and these things are a tank. They rip great. Let's dig in, take a look. I ran this once. I was able to backflip it once on stock. This is stock right now, but I'm replacing this ESC. These are a 725 per hour motor, 25 kilogram Variprop servo. Again, the shocks are 6S.